Okay, I'm gonna have to do this in multiple parts because TikTok hates me, apparently. I have ground Italian, ground sausage, and also ground beef. I'm browning that up, getting that ready. I'm gonna drain that, but I'm making the beginnings of a sauce for lasagna. I saved $10 making my own. And so what you see now is the paste. That is tomato paste. Now, tomato paste is very bitter. So you're going to see me start to add a fourth of a cup of sugar little by little. And I'm browning it basically like I'm doing it like a roux. Now, while I am babying the crap out of this spaghetti sauce just to save $10, I also am meal prepping breakfast and dinners for Ashton. But this lasagna right here, I had noodles already in the pantry, ready-baked noodles, and so that's what I'm basically building the sauce for. Because I saw the price and I was like, heck no. So this is going to be, like I said, a couple of parts. I'm just going to show you how this lasagna, we are not going to eat this tonight. This is going to be for Monday and Tuesday. But I'm getting ready today. So now I'm going to start building, you see the bacon. Like all the things going on. Ooh, this part. Okay. So I had cottage cheese in the fridge and I'm about to sneak some extra protein into this lasagna, and guess what? None of my people are going to know. So I'm sneaking it in. Oh, there's Andi. She wanted leftover pizza. She was hangry. So I'm layering it. I know you can't see it yet, but you're about to. I'm layering all the layers and I'm adding in that cottage cheese, ricotta, Italian, Parmesan. I'm adding all the cheeses with that sauce. And it really, I mean, it was good, but it was just a basic spaghetti. Not bad for being a basic spaghetti sauce, but anyway, I'm layering this up and I'm basically getting us ready for Monday and Tuesday so that now, when I come home, all I have to do is preheat the oven. This bad boy's going in the oven, and we have leftover garlic bread from this weekend, so it's going to be a huge win for me as a mom and wife trying to feed these people. And I'm trying to just use all the noodles that I have. I only had like 2 noodles left over that I couldn't fit in that pan, and I'm layering it. I'm just layering it and layering it and layering it. And Ashton is actually going to get some of this lasagna because I added that extra protein just to give her, a little bit of break. But yeah, I'm getting this bad boy ready. I'm going to put parsley on the top. I probably should have added that afterwards, but you know what? It's not going to hurt anything, and I don't care. And it'll be fine. They'll love it. And I'm going to cover it with foil. Like I said, it's going in the fridge. And then tomorrow, I am golden.